Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. This is how to update VLC player in Windows 11. So guys, first thing that you will do is simply go ahead and go to your start menu. And from here, just simply open up your VLC media player or just simply search it. And as you can see, just simply play it out. And now once you have launched the software, just simply go ahead and go to the help over here on the top. And a drop down will show up and you should be able to see here, check for updates. And now it will check for update, and if it have a latest version you should be able to download it over here. So since I have the latest version, I won't be able to show you, but if you do, just simply follow the steps in order for you to update your VLC media player and to check if you are running the latest version. And that's simply about it. If this video was helpful, please like and subscribe, and if you have any question, just simply comment down below and we'll try our best to answer your question. And thanks for watching. See ya.